Hi guys, welcome to 𝗙𝗯𝗋 Official Tech. Today is very important class. I'm gonna teach you how to create a transparent sticky header in Elementor. Well, this is easy. So, if you are interested, continue watching this video. Let's get talk about this. Go to the WordPress dashboard, then go to templates. Now we are gonna create a header. Click add new and select header. Then choose your template's name. I'm gonna choose header tutorial and then create a template. Now close this interface. We are designing a transparent sticky header for this fresh page. First, click this icon and choose double block structure and also resize a little bit. Now add an image. And choose the logo image. Then set the alignment center, and also we are gonna add a navigation menu. Just drag and drop it. Here, select this nav container, then select layout and justify content center. Now we are changing our nav menu alignment center. Just click this edit button and you will see this option. Our logo is too much smaller. Now resize it. Click this container and click the advanced tab and unlink padding and also apply this process to another block. OK, click publish and you will set the condition to where you want to display this. Click add a condition. I'm gonna test this header, so that's why I'm choosing singular. I'm gonna select homepage. Now click save and close. Now go back to our homepage and click refresh. Guys, see here, our header appears on this page, but it's not transparent. No problem. Goes back to our header page and click this main container and select the advanced tab. Then unlink the margin and put -90 pixel bottom. That means the container moves up 90 pixel. Now click update and go to the layout tab and set minimum height 90 pixel. Then click update. Go back to our page and click refresh. Guys, see here, header isn't properly moved up. Let's fix this. Go back to our header page and increase the negative margin value. Now check that and click refresh. See here, now our header is successfully transparent, but the logo and menu don't appear on our site. So go back to the header page, select the advanced tab and see J-index option. Now put the value 2 and click update. Now check that. Yes, it's working. Now we are gonna add a sticky option and put some CSS code snippet to look more professional. Now go back to the previous page and scroll down. and see the motion effects option. Open it and change the sticky option top. Then click update and check that. Click refresh and scrolling down to see sticky feature are working. Now we are going to the last step to add custom CSS. Those who haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to grow up the little bit. Now back to our header page, select the main container and go to the advanced tab, then open custom CSS. I put this code snippet to the description below. First, I am copying this first portion of this code and paste it here. Check that. Alright. Now apply effects offset value 100. Now update and check. Guys, see here, when the visitor came in your home page, first see without transparent, then scrolling down and then show transparent. Now the end of the video, I'll show you a streaky transition effect. Now copy the other portion of this code snippet and paste it here. Then click update and check that. So here code not working because we select image not logo. That's why could not specifying logo. No problem. Go to the header page and select this edit icon. Then select the advanced tab. And add CSS classes. Now type class name logo, then click update. Guys, see here we got a problem. Just go back to our header page and select main, then advanced tab and increase negative value. I put it 180 pixel. It depends on your block size. Don't worry about this, you can change your way. Now click update and check. Okay, alright. In this part, I will show you how you can change your header condition to where you want to display your header. Go back to templates, then click theme builder. You can see our header page. I click and edit the conditions. In the future, you can add more pages to your website and you can easily edit them individually. That was it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you enjoyed it, please like it. I hope you did your homework, or at least you're gonna do it now and create this transparent sticky header that you are gonna learn by heart, because it makes your design more creative and it will help you the next time your client website. And thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.